Let us discuss the classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds can be classified into two types. One are the open chain or acyclic or aliphatic compounds. Now these open chain compounds are those in which carbon atoms do not join to form a closed structure or any ring. They can be further classified into two types: straight chain, in which all the carbon atoms are present in a chain and none of the carbon atoms is out of the chain. For example, normal butane and 2-butene. Normal butane is a saturated compound in which all bonds of the carbon are the sigma bonds, while 2-butene is an unsaturated compound belonging to the class of alkenes in which carbon has also formed the pi bonds. Similarly, the straight chain alkynes are also included in this category. And second are the branch chain compounds in which all carbons are not present in a chain, rather one or more than one carbon are present outside the chain in the form of the substituents. The example is isobutane, in which the 3 carbons are present in the straight chain while the 4th carbon is out of the chain. It is the substituent which is attached to the carbon number 2. It is a branch which is attached to the main stem of the carbon atom. So these are the branch chain compounds. Similarly, this one is isobutylene, or you can say 2-methylpropene. It also belongs to the branch chain organic compounds in which this methyl is outside the chain and it will act as a substituent or as a branch. And in the same way, the branch chain alkynes are also included in this category. So this category on the basis of structure has two types, straight chain and branch chain, and on the basis of the bonding it has two types. One are the saturated and other are the unsaturated. Now the second category are the closed chain or cyclic compounds. These are those organic compounds in which the carbon atoms join to form some closed structure or ring. Now they are of two types, homocyclic, which are also called as the carbocyclic. These are those organic compounds in which the carbon atoms are present in the ring only. So the ring contains only carbon atoms and none of the any other element or any other atom will be present inside the ring. They are also divided into the two categories, alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic, the word ali shows their resemblance with the aliphatic organic compounds in their physical properties, in their chemical properties. They have general formula CnH2n. The simplest alicyclic organic compound is the cyclopropane, in which 3 carbon atoms are present in a ring. And similarly, cyclobutane, that is also included in the alicyclic organic compounds in which 4 carbon atoms are present in the ring. And if there will be any double bond here like this one, then the cyclopropene, that will also be considered as an alicyclic organic compound. But no, its formula obviously that will not be CnH2n, because this CnH2n formula is only applicable to the alicyclic saturated organic compounds. And if here there is any double bond between carbon atoms, then that will be called as the cyclobutene and it will also be considered in the alicyclic organic compounds. The second category is the aromatic organic compounds. Now dear students, aromatic organic compounds are those in which benzene ring is present. So the benzene and its derivative, they are considered as the aromatic organic compounds. Benzene is an example. Similarly, if you will join here CH3 group, that will become toluene. Toluene is also an example of the aromatic organic compound. And if instead of methyl group you attach OH group here, then that will be the phenol. It will also be considered as an aromatic homocyclic compound, because the oxygen atom here, it is not present inside the ring, rather it is present outside the ring. So ring should contain only carbon atoms. If there is any atom of any other element outside the ring, that doesn't matter. That compound will be considered as the homocyclic or carbocyclic. Now the aromatic compounds can be divided into two categories. One are the monocyclic, in which only one benzene ring is present, just like I have given the example of the phenol and toluene, and other are the polycyclic aromatic compounds, just like if the two benzene ring join together, then this forms the naphthalene. So naphthalene is also aromatic, but it is an example of the polycyclic organic compound in which the rings are fused together. So these are the aromatic organic compounds. Next category of the closed chain is the heterocyclic compounds. These are the organic compounds in which ring contains some atom other than carbon atom. For example, pyridine having nitrogen at one of its corners. This nitrogen is an atom other than carbon atom, and all those atoms which are other than carbon atom inside the ring, they are called as the heteroatoms. So nitrogen in the pyridine is the heteroatom. Similarly, furan is an example in which oxygen is present as an heteroatom. And if you replace this oxygen of the furan with sulfur, then that will be called as the thiophene. And even if you will replace this sulfur with the nitrogen carrying one hydrogen, then that will become the pyrrole. So these are the heterocyclic compounds in which ring contains some heteroatom, and the heteroatom of the pyridine and pyrrole both is same. This is an MCQ, that which of the two compounds have same heteroatom, that is the pyridine and pyrrole. They have same heteroatom, which is the nitrogen.